You be quiet. This is my son. What the fuck?
You sure?
Yeah. Am I? Should I be sure?
I don't know. So I have to literally sit here. So every time I do,
No, leave us alone.
Every
Tell
time
her
I
to
turn
leave us
around and say
alone.
weird ass shit.
What's weird about asking my son what he likes? The hell?
Don't do that
I need
right
to
now.
know.
Okay, but don't do that right now.
The fuck?
Don't do that right now.
Do it when I want to do it.
No.
I'm gonna be quiet.
No, shut up.
You shut up.
The fuck? You're weird.
I'm weird because I want to know my
Don't
son.
ask him shit like that right now.
I'll ask
Don't
him
do
whatever
that.
I want to ask him.
Okay. We'll talk to you later, chat, because I'm about to unplug all this shit up in here.